Y'all, this video is a little bit different than what I normally do. We are at the grocery store shopping. What store is this? Like number...
I've lost count.
It's like number 3. I think it's like, yeah, about number 3.
Yeah.
And so we're gonna go in here and grab a few items and we'll be right back because y'all, it is Texas Armageddon, I guess that's what you can call it.
Right.
Snowpocalypse.
All of those things.
Yes, we are out here shopping.
Several weathermen have said it's not as bad as what the dudes are saying, but you can't tell that to the people that's shopping. Right? Everybody's shopping like they ain't gonna ever leave their house again.
Exactly. I was about to take off. Like, what is that? Y'all, they have toilet paper and paper towels.
Which sounds crazy, but that's where we at. The snowpocalypse. You've been to how many stores?
Oh, like 3 or 4. And we have bread. So
I'm talking about all over town. for eggs, everything. Toilet paper, bread, butter. Just normal stuff.
So hopefully we find what we need in here. Mountain Dew. All the Coke is 0 sugar. Yep, it's all 0 sugar.
Because of course that's what would be left, 0 sugar.
Yeah. Maybe it's some. Maybe it's something like on the end caps or something. But we can start with. Y'all want the? But we already got root beer and they still not drinking it. We still trying to figure out how to get some. We're trying to get some drinks and it's like slim pickings. They took all the Coke, so I guess he's gonna have to go with. I guess like Mountain Dew. I guess gonna have to get Mountain Dew and Dr. Pepper.
Whatever we need for Madden and or NBA 2K.
Yeah, just to get him through. He just need caffeine, really. So we finna find some kind of drinks in this store, and hopefully we can find butter. We hadn't made it to that aisle yet, though. I hope they got butter. Y'all know how much I love to cook with it. All right, y'all. We are back. And we found just about everything we were looking for. Y'all know how much I like to cook with butter. This is the first grocery store I found that has some butter in stock and bread.
Sponsored by Guy Fieri. Some more butter on that.
That's right. Butter makes everything taste better. And I actually found some. Yep. You want to tell them about this experience at the checkout counter?
I still don't understand what was not ringing up. I was confused by what was happening. Something was...
Yeah, we kept trying to ring up the sodas. And for some reason, it would not ring up. It was that dragon fruit Mountain Dew. It would not ring up the dragon fruit Mountain Dew.
I guess they tried to tell me dragon fruit Mountain Dew is a bad idea. It should not exist. Don't buy it.
They told you to put it back. That's what they was trying to tell you to do. The lady had to come to us 3 times to fix our whatchamacallit.
I was starting to not want the soda anymore.
I know, I was like, this thing doesn't want us to get out of here. I was ringing up all the groceries and that thing just would not ring up. And then every time I scanned it, yeah, when I scanned it, it was like, please see cashier.
And as y'all know, it's everybody and their grandma in Texas trying to buy, so we just hold up.
Everybody looking at us like, what is going on?
It's not us. We swear it's not us.
And I'm telling him, I'm like, we're gonna leave this whole entire basket right here. Because this thing does not want us to get out this store.
And if we didn't have content to make, we probably would have left the whole basket.
Right?
Well, that winter storm of some kind coming, in theory.
Yep. And finally, she came back.
Huh?
Finally she came back the 3rd time. And that's when she was like, well, maybe it's the Mountain Dew. It's not on sale where you get buy 2, get 2 free. But she was like, since y'all been standing here all this time, I'm gonna go ahead and give it to you. So she took $21.98 off of our total. Now originally we were supposed to be paying like $60-some. And she took that $21.98 off. And we ended up spending like, what, $40-some? Yeah.
She's a gosh darn American hero.
Just like the lady from Walmart yesterday. Yeah, we were in Walmart yesterday and we went to the deli section. Because they ran out of deli meat. They didn't run out of deli meat. They ran out of deli meat in the box.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we had to go to the actual deli and have her to carve out some turkey.
It felt fancy.
We sure did. That stuff is expensive. $10.97 for what, a pound? So I told her I wanted a half pound of oven roasted turkey, and she carved up almost 2 pounds of turkey. That stuff was over $10. So what she did was took enough off to make it a half pound, and then she got the price tag, stuck it on the bag, but she also put that meat back in there. So we got almost 2 pounds of turkey for $5. I don't know how you didn't see that.
I did not. Y'all doing magic like the magician. I was not looking at her hands because I was watching her mouth, like they say in Spider-Man.
Oh, I was watching everything because I was trying to make sure. I'm like, $5. Don't go over $5. When I saw that $10, I was like, you gotta take some of this meat off. And she took it off, but then she put it back.
She probably said it was like the end of the day, they probably gonna have to throw it out anyways. So
yeah, so she just went ahead and gave it to us.
That was late.
I appreciate it.
Right?
So that's day 2. I want to be going to
another. And then, but before I left the house, this is the first time all winter it's been calling up to use my heavy coat. And my heavy coat apparently is missing a zipper. I just found out. Yeah. But there's 2 zippers, and she's like, "Oh, that's the outside zipper. You don't need that zipper. Just zip up this zipper here." Then I get in the store. And my coat just started coming open. I'm turned to a whole chimichanga in the store. I'm wearing clothes under here, but still, it just looks weird.
I know.
Your coat is halfway open, and not from the top, halfway open from the bottom. So I look ridiculous.
I know you have to hide it with that basket.
and feel ridiculous. Like, what kind of?
And it's coming all the way up, y'all. Yes. It's about to split all the way up. I don't know how you gonna get out of it.
What in the demolition man?
It's time for a new coat, y'all. This coat, how old is this thing? This thing is almost old as Jordan. This thing is old. No, it's probably like 5 years old. It's old.
Because again, it's a heavy coat and it's Texas. I don't use this but maybe twice a year.
Right. Yeah, it's splitting all the way up, and I'm making it worse by touching it.
Yes, you continue to touch it. See, I was in the store looking on camera, looking super crazy, but that's what.
Hey, we out here
behind the scenes of Snowmageddon 2026.
That's right.
Stuff we'll laugh about later.
Mm-hmm. And the kids are probably like, "Where are they at? They out here in this weather?"
Oh, right.
It's probably about what? I don't even know what time it is. It is. Oh, it's just 5:23. Let's say the streets are not supposed to ice over until like what, 6 o'clock.
But people's inability to drive will kick in. Probably kicked in yesterday.
Yes. So I think we still got time because it's really not that cold out here. It's cold, but it's not that cold. So I'm positive these streets are not gonna ice over while we are out here doing all the things.
It's now just refers to as butt cold. That's some old stuff. I ain't never heard that before.
It's gonna be butt cold tomorrow. I guarantee.
More so than I guarantee.
I guarantee. Y'all from Louisiana. Yeah. What was his name?
Justin Wilson.
Yeah. What's his name, Justin? Was he the chef?
That's the one I'm thinking of.
Yeah. I guarantee.
Yeah.
He was Cajun. But yeah, we are out here in this mess. It's raining. And should we go out on a date while we out? I bet folks gonna look at us crazy.
Yeah,
if we show up in
any restaurant you go in right now. We close in 5 minutes.
Right?
Now the sign says, I said we close in 5 minutes.
I mean, we went out to eat yesterday, y'all. But we can do it 2 days in a row. But we would have to do it and eat it before we get home.
They still have a half a pizza though, so they should be...
Yeah, we bought pizza yesterday, y'all. So they didn't eat all that pizza, so they can eat that while we go figure out something for us to eat. Unless I go home and cook, because I had planned on cooking tacos today. You want some tacos?
I will eat tacos. Since I became a taco in the store with my
you sure did.
My belly just all
it's all out there too. Yeah.
So you don't need the other zipper. Apparently I need the other zipper.
I gotta figure out what I'm gonna cook during this. See, I need to start cooking now. So if the power goes out, we ain't gonna be able to warm anything up. I guess we're gonna be eating.
That's why we got the deli meat to eat the sandwiches. And some cereal. You know.
Yeah, we got sandwiches and cereal.
We've done this before because the snow apocalypse of was it 21?
Yes, 2021. That was the worst. We were out of power for like almost 2 weeks. Thankfully, we had enough food to get us through. We were like rationing food. We didn't eat. We ate once a day, and that was when the power came on. We warmed everything up.
But when the power, on the hurricane with the power, everybody would go take a shower.
Yeah.
go cook something if you could.
Like they would go take a shower while I cook or warm food up, and then we all sit down and eat, and then wait again the next day before we could eat again. At least we were clean.
And the power didn't come on every day. It was just like there'd be intermittent stretches.
Yeah, taking a shower, it was 5 of us trying to get in that water. 5 of us trying to get in and out.
And the water ain't had time to get hot because the power has been on.
So the first person that took their shower, they were probably freezing.
Ice.
Yeah.
Oof.
I don't want to go through that again. And I think they might be hyping this up. They probably hyping it up. They doing the absolute most. And hopefully this Texas power grid holds up. Because we're going to be stuck out if it doesn't. We're going to be stuck out, y'all. But yeah. It is time for us to head back to the house. Probably go get something. Nah, we probably don't need anything to eat. We got everything we need is at the house. Everything.
Great.
Yeah.
We're trying to convince ourselves as parents, convince the kids for centuries that we have food at home.
We have food at home. I'll go home and we're going to eat tacos today, even though it's not Taco Tuesday. It's going to be Taco Friday. All right, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope y'all enjoyed hanging out with us, and hopefully he'll come back. He'll come back again.
Tell in the comments if you want me to.
If y'all want Brian to come back, let me know down in the comment section and he'll make an appearance. Might have to make a regular appearance.
We'll see what the comments say.
Yeah, if y'all want to see us shop, let me know down in the comment section. I hope y'all have an amazing day, and
Time
we would
to go get a new coat.
Y'all see this?
No.
Yeah, it's moving on. I don't know how you gonna get out that coat when we get home. I don't know how you gonna get out of it.
Oh, I was watching Harry Houdini on the History Channel the other night. I'll be fine.
I don't know. He gonna have to peel himself out of that coat. But yeah, I hope y'all have an amazing day, and we will chit chat in the next one. Talk to you later. Bye.